Hello, ho, ho, and yeah, welcome back to Python and welcome back to Matplotlib. And yeah, we are back to images. And yeah, this is the code from our previous video. And maybe you can, if you are new, you can just copy it. This simple code will, is able to plot an image. I will show you, and this should be deleted. Okay, 1 second, 2 seconds, 4 seconds. Okay, I need even more seconds. Here we go. Yeah, this beautiful lady was a kind of test subject of our previous video. And yeah, now we are kind of adding some contrast using a CMap. And yeah, let's do that. And yeah, we are also, looking at the interpolation argument. But for now, let's close it and let's do CMap. So if we type in something like CMap equals hot, and this is a valid argument for CMap because it needs contrast map, and yeah, I guess it needs color map or contrast map. Okay, I just looked it up. It is color map. Okay, so yeah, CMap stands for color map, and yeah, we would now have the color map hot, but as you can simply see by comparison, nothing has changed. So this is a changed one, and this is the original one. Again, the changed one. Yeah, I see no difference, and to add some difference, we should add contrast, and for that we kind of use this slicing we learned in our previous video, and with 0 we are adding something which is called pseudo color. And now let's run it again. Yeah, here we go. Now we have it looks completely different in hot colors. And yeah, CMap has many different string arguments. For example, gray. Okay, it was gray with an A. Yeah, here we go. Now we got the same in black and white. What else can we try? Twilight, but it doesn't look that spectacular. Twilight. Yeah, like the movie, it is not really spectacular. And yeah. So if we want to have a look at what it could be, just type something that doesn't exist, like this. And now I show you the console, because now the exception that is raised is kind of important. Let me zoom. Yeah, supported values are accent, accent R, and here you can see all the supported ones. Okay, back to the original. Yeah, and we could also add a color map, but I didn't cover color maps yet. It is a topic I clearly should be covering soon. But anyways, now what we also can do is next to CMap, and for that we kind of need to use slice something like 1040 and for the width and 1040 for the height. And mode is like, let's do 0 again. Now if we plot it, you see just we zoomed in too much, and just a mess of pixel. But with the input, what was it again? Interpolation, and be cubic. And if we run it now, you can probably see it's got much smoother. And again, like before, you can just type in something entirely wrong, and then you get the supported strings. like, yeah, let's do something like Kaiser. Okay, I should maybe switch back to the usual. So here we go. Now with Kaiser, yeah, it gets smoother, but on a different level. Okay, so back to, yeah, the usual design or usual code. Now again, we have our picture. And the last thing I wanted to show is, yeah, pretty simple. It is alpha. And alpha is by default set to 1. And yeah, as you can probably see, nothing has changed. But alpha means, yeah, blending value. So 0 is transparent, so you can't see anything. Maybe I will show you alpha 0. Yeah. Now, as you can see, there's nothing left. And we can now use 0.5. And here you can see it is blended. It is like, yeah, got a little bit dizzy, not dizzy, but white, more. I don't know the right word for it, but you see the different output. So you probably know what I mean with alpha, with the alpha input. Okay, and yeah, I am already finished, I guess, because yeah, this three inputs, alpha, CMap, and yeah, this was my mobile phone. Guess it was, yeah, interpolation. And yeah, I hope I didn't cover it yet now. I didn't cover too much regarding that arguments because, yeah, if you really need them, you can dive deeper, but I guess most of the time you just need the, yeah, default ones. But yeah, it's kind of nice to know, I guess. And yeah, with that, I wish you a wonderful evening, nighttime, dinner time, breakfast time, supper time, whatever time it is in your country, or lunchtime. I forgot lunchtime. And yeah, see you hopefully on the next video. You can leave a comment regarding feedback, advice, suggestions, and so on. You can do a thumbs up if you liked the video, a thumbs down if you hated the video, of course. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.